I am going to apply the top of this, maybe 70%, and cure this for 30 seconds. I'm going to do the other one too. Still tacky layer. Same thing. I want to do, it's like have a theme for you, so then when you start doing your clients, you can absolutely use this for preference, so it doesn't look like it's not in the same theme at all. Okay, go into the next one. I have 4 of them for you, and then each of them we're going to dress it up with the different crystals and different 3D. So you want to see 3D and then crystals, and then this one as well, and the last one. Okay. I'm gonna go in and apply this. This really depends on whatever, like the image you want to. You can move a little bit spot. It will change different looks as well. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. I'm my blows with a lot of new things is coming to support all of you. Look at that, how super cute it is. All right, so first nails, and how amazing it transfer everything. And let's move to the second nails. I'm gonna going using this. This is so adorable, and I really enjoying this one so much. And doesn't matter what way you want to do yours. I might do this. I think it's sticky in my hand. Am I right under the camera?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. You know what? I don't know what you're feeling, but me, I'm looking forward to see everyone on a live video. If you are, if somehow you're busy, absolutely totally fine. You can be watching them, but I hope it really like you're part of supporting for you at your work. And every time you have a down moment on your career, you know, if you turn in the live tutorials, you will see that I just review myself with my work. For past 2 years, I growing and changed so much, and I never stopped doing it. It just keep me alive and keep me motivate me from my work. I don't know you have the same feeling, but me is feeling so strong about that. Okay, so right there, I kept like, all right, so never mind. I'm gonna do right here. Right here. So if wherever you have a moment of like you want to give up, just think about me. That's always talk your ears off and say you can't give up. It will be so much fun, and we're gonna do it together. All right, here is that the third one. It's a little bit yellow. How it cool transfers, and then go into the last nails. And again, this is number 49. If any of you just tuning in, hello, thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a great Thursday. Oh, this one is cute. Like this one have a different details on it, so it doesn't matter. You can do maybe this way is going to have the butterflies going. Okay, let's go this way. You can cut these pieces off absolutely. It's fun as well. Okay, and try to get one butterflies here for you. Are you excited? I can't wait for Saturdays that we're gonna announce the Glitz contest. Okay, so this is the last piece I did. All right, so you have 4 nails like this, and let's do something fun with that. Remember that you have yours